Era New Products, PP Tapping Ferrules. The best solution for creating branch connections on pressurized pipelines. Why choose ARS PP Tapping Ferrules? Good materials and robust construction. Our materials PP, POM, zinc-plated steel, NBR. All materials ensure 10 years of service. Zero downtime, easy connection. Before installing the tapping ferrules, no need to shut off main lines. And the connection is very easy. First, install the clamp saddles. Second, wrap Teflon tape. Install the hot neck of the clamp saddle, tighten in fully. Third, insert the pipes into fittings. Fourth, rotate the cutter until cut a hole through the bottom pipe. The entire process only need 4 steps. Operation is very simple. 360-degree adjustable outlets. Flexible positioning for complex layouts. Dual interfaces. One interface is thread end. There are currently 2 sizes, 1 inch and 1 to 1/4 inch. Compression interface. 3 sizes options, 20, 25, 32. Cheap price. Compared to HDPE tapping T, the price for PP is 60% cheaper.